Hi everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. Today we are going to make a lava lamp. Have you ever seen a lava lamp? It is a decorative lamp invented in 1963. Follow me and make a lava lamp to make your room more beautiful. Let's get to it! The materials we need today are vinegar, vegetable oil, food coloring, baking soda, and a clear cup. You also need a clear container. Remove the lid from the container. Put 2 or 3 spoons of baking soda into the jar. Next, tilt the jar and pour oil. If you pour straight down into the jar, it kicks the bottom and mixes with some baking soda. It causes the oil to look cloudy. So, to see clear oil, tilt the jar. Fill the jar with vegetable oil to about 3/4 full. Leave room at the top because it is going to bubble soon. Pour some vinegar into a cup and add a few drops of food colorings. It is time to add the vinegar into the oil. Wait! If you want to put a lid on the container, wait until the reaction has completely stopped. As a gas is released because of the chemical reaction, make sure no more pressure is built from the reaction. And then you can put a lid on the container. Put the jar on the top of a lamp. It will be much more beautiful. Now let's add the vinegar into the jar. And watch!